Many older men find themselves puzzled by the signals younger women send, especially when it comes to matters of attraction and frustration. Today, we're diving deep into how you can tell if a younger woman is sexually frustrated and interested in you. Before we start, anyone looking to revamp their dating approach? Click the link below for a free 60-minute strategy call with one of our coaches. Now let's dive in. 1. She touches her own body. When a younger woman touches or caresses her own body in your presence, especially while making eye contact, it can be a powerful indicator of her feelings and state of mind. This behavior often signifies not only comfort with her body, but also an attempt to draw attention to herself. The act of touching herself, such as running her hands along her arms, neck, or legs, can be a subconscious display of arousal or frustration, signaling a desire for intimacy. Observing the context and frequency of this behavior can provide clearer insights into her intentions. If these actions increase in intensity or frequency when conversations turn personal or intimate, it's likely not coincidental. This is her way of expressing attraction and possibly indicating her frustration in a nonverbal manner. As an older man, recognizing this signal can be crucial. It's important to respond with respect and sensitivity. If you share her interest, engaging in a direct yet considerate conversation about your mutual feelings can help clarify the situation, ensuring that any further interaction is consensual and mutually desired. 2. Subtle moans or sighs. Hearing a younger woman let out subtle moans or sighs when she's close to you can be a sign of her inner tension and desire. These sounds are often involuntary and emerge when she's relaxed, or when the conversation takes a turn towards more intimate topics. The subtlety of these sounds means they are not meant for everyone to hear. Rather, they are directed towards someone she feels attracted to or comfortable with. This form of communication can be particularly provocative, as it directly appeals to the auditory senses, and may be used to gauge your reaction to her displays of arousal. If these sounds are paired with close distance or physical touches, it is even more indicative of her interest and potential frustration. When you notice these signs, it's important to maintain a demeanor that respects her comfort zone while acknowledging the signals she's sending. A good response might be to gently address the change in atmosphere, perhaps with a lighthearted comment or an open-ended question that invites her to share her feelings, paving the way for honest and respectful communication. 3. Overly playful teasing. Teasing can often be a playful way to express interest, but when it comes with a desperate edge, it might signal sexual frustration or a deeper desire for a connection. If her teasing seems to be testing boundaries or seeking a very specific reaction from you, it suggests that she is trying to engage with you on a more intimate level. This kind of teasing might include daring jokes, provocative comments, or challenges that encourage you to respond in kind. The key here is to notice the intensity and the context of her teasing. If it becomes more pronounced during private moments or in romantic settings, it's likely an expression of her frustration and attraction towards you. She is using her words and actions to provoke a response that might lead to more intimate interactions. Responding to this type of teasing requires tact and clear communication. Engaging with her playfully while setting clear boundaries can help manage the situation without escalating it prematurely. It's also useful to directly discuss her intentions and your comfort levels, ensuring that both parties are on the same page and that any progress in your relationship develops healthily and respectfully. 4. She makes bold advances. When a younger woman makes bold advances, such as unexpectedly kissing you or openly commenting on her attraction to you, it's a clear step beyond subtle flirting. These actions are indicative of not just sexual frustration, but also a strong desire to bridge the gap between mere attraction and physical intimacy. Such boldness can stem from a feeling of urgency or a need to express her emotions in a straightforward manner. These advances, while direct, still require a thoughtful response. They can create moments of intense intimacy, but they also call for mature handling to ensure that all actions are consensual and that both parties understand the implications of progressing further. If you are interested, reciprocating her advances with equal openness can deepen your connection. However, it's crucial to communicate openly about your intentions and expectations to avoid misunderstandings. If her advances catch you off guard, it's important to address them with sensitivity. A calm and respectful conversation where you express your feelings and set clear boundaries can help ensure that both of you feel comfortable and respected moving forward. This dialogue is not just about addressing the immediate situation, but also about setting the tone for your future interactions, whether they continue to develop romantically or remain platonic. If you're enjoying today's tips on dating, don't forget to like and comment. For a deeper transformation, consider our free 60-minute strategy call. You'll learn how to meet more women and date with newfound confidence. Click the link in the pinned comment to reserve your session. 5. Fidgeting with her hair. Hair play is a common, somewhat cliched body language signal of attraction and nervousness, often displayed when a woman is interested and possibly sexually frustrated. If you notice her frequently playing with her hair, twirling it around her fingers, or flipping it in a manner that seems somewhat performative, she might be trying to catch your attention and show her femininity. This action can be subconscious, a way for her to express her nervous energy, or a deliberate attempt to enhance her appearance when you are nearby. It often occurs in conjunction with extended eye contact or other flirtatious behaviors, serving as a visual cue that complements her verbal and nonverbal flirting. When you see these behaviors, acknowledging them with a compliment or a friendly remark can reinforce her confidence and show that you appreciate her efforts. It can also open the door to further conversation about your mutual feelings and interest, allowing both of you to explore the possibility of a deeper connection in a respectful and consensual manner. 6. Subtle changes in tone. Voice modulation can reveal a lot about a person's emotions, and subtle changes in tone or pitch when discussing intimate subjects can be a sign of underlying sexual frustration or desire. If her voice becomes softer, higher, or perhaps trembles slightly during personal conversations, it may indicate that she feels vulnerable or excited discussing these topics with you. This change is often instinctive and can be a response to arousal or emotional depth. It might be accompanied by other signs of nervousness or attraction, such as blushing or averting gaze, which further underscore her emotional state. These auditory and visual cues suggest that she is not only comfortable sharing these subjects with you, but is also emotionally affected by your presence and the conversation. Listening attentively and responding with empathy and openness can help her feel understood and valued. This approach fosters a deeper emotional connection, encouraging her to open up more and share her thoughts and feelings freely. By engaging positively with these changes, you affirm the trust and intimacy developing between you. 7. Nervous hands. When a younger woman shows physical signs of nervousness, such as trembling hands while she is close to you, or when making contact, it's a strong indicator of her emotional state. This physiological response can be due to a mix of excitement, attraction, and perhaps anxiety about how her feelings are perceived. Trembling might occur when she reaches out to touch you or when you are physically close, highlighting her sensitivity to your proximity. This sign requires a compassionate and reassuring response. By maintaining a calm and steady demeanor, you can help ease her tension. Gentle physical gestures, such as a reassuring touch or holding her hand, can also help to calm her nerves and show that you are comfortable and welcoming of her closeness. Acknowledging this nervousness without overtly drawing attention to it allows her to feel safe and supported. It shows that you recognize her feelings and are responsive to her comfort levels, which is crucial for building trust and deepening your connection. 8. She sends provocative pictures. Receiving flirty or suggestive photos from a younger woman is a very direct indicator of her interest and possibly her sexual frustration. This bold move is often a step to escalate the relationship into more intimate territory, signaling her comfort and trust in sharing such images with you, as well as her desire to attract your attention in a significant way. While this can be flattering, it's crucial to handle such situations with high respect and privacy. How you respond should reflect your understanding of the implications of such exchanges and your respect for her dignity. Acknowledging her photos with appreciation while ensuring that you maintain discretion and do not share or expose her privacy is key. If you wish to reciprocate her advances, do so by expressing your admiration and interest in a manner that aligns with mutual respect and consent. Open communication about the nature of your interactions and the boundaries each of you wishes to maintain is essential to ensure that both parties feel comfortable and valued in the evolving relationship. So now that you know how to spot those signs, what's next for you? Discover the signs she thinks you're attractive, or learn the best compliments to give her. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more.